Let's talk about the iOS 27 leaks. Marami reports ngayon na Apple is finally moving away from the traditional Siri architecture. Ang bagong version, codename Campus, is expected to function as a full-scale chatbot katulad ng ChatGPT at Gemini. Based sa leaks, hindi na lang voice assistant ng Siri. Magkakaroon ito ng kakayahan na mag-generate ng images, tumulong sa coding, at mag-analyze ng files directly sa iPhone nyo. Support for both text and interaction is also coming, make it more flexible. Ito yung matagal nang hinihintay ng mga users. Finally, integration na talaga. One interesting details is the collaboration with the Google. Sinasabing gagamit ng Apple ng custom model based sa Gemini 3 para i-power itong bagong AI feature. Magkakaroon din ito ng standalone Siri app kung saan makikita ang conversation history at ang option na i-favorite ang mahalagang chats. Interesting part dito is system-wide integration. It's not just a separate app. Magkakaroon naman ng dedicated Ask Siri button sa loob ng apps at Write with Siri feature sa itaas ng keyboard. This means the AI can help you drop emails or summarize long threads without leaving your current workspace. Siri will also be able to handle complex multi-step commands in one go. Beyond Siri, iOS 27 is being optimized for the rumored foldable iPhone. May specific layouts na raw na ginagawa para sa 5.5-inch outer display at 7.8-inch inner display. Apple is also planning an AI marketplace section sa App Store kung saan pwede kayong mag-install ng third-party AI extension gaya ng Claude. This updates focuses heavily on productivity and performance improvements. We expected it officially unveiled this during WWDC on June 8 with public release usually happening in September alongside with new iPhone models. Let's see if June 8 confirms all of this. Heavy yung update nito for sure. Yun lang. Bye-bye.